Today is a special day to unleash the power that is contained within. I will be going through a list of powerful intentions to open up your energy field to the point of receiving. Your job is simply to listen in a relaxed state. This will open your energy field to receiving all of the good that you want to experience in your life. Feel free to listen upon waking in the morning while getting ready for work, or relaxed in a time during the day when you can get into a meditative state, or right before you go to sleep. The only requirement is that you be open, be willing, be allowing. Let each of these intentions fall over you. Allow them to swirl around in your energy field. Feel the truth and the power behind each word. You could simply say them in your head or say them out loud, or you could go one step further in deeper engagement and write them on a card to be read and pondered each day. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in. Fill your lungs all the way to the top. Breathe out completely. Breathe in the possibility of your life massively improving in every area of your life. Breathe in. Let go of resistance. Feel your body, mind, and mental faculties relaxing into a meditative state. Know that everything that is said today on this episode is possible for you. We're going to take a couple of deep breaths in and hold them gently for 4 seconds. Breathe in. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you breathe in the positive possibility of today's podcast, and breathe out any negative or resistance you have to the intentions to come. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it one more time. Breathing in the possibilities. 1, 2, 3, 4. Releasing and letting go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relaxing your body completely. Let's scan the body, starting at the top of your head, just bringing your awareness to how your body feels. Breathing in, paying attention as we slowly scan through the head and the neck and the shoulders, releasing any tension, any resistance, any pain or discomfort in the body, down through the chest, the torso, the stomach region, letting go with every scan, with every breath, going deeper and deeper into yourself, through the pelvis, the tops of the legs, the knees, letting go, releasing through the calves, the ankles, and the feet, giving any resistance back to Mother Earth. Repeat after me. Everything I want is contained in the energy field, and that energy is flowing towards me right now. I was made to receive everything I want in this life. I am destined to have an amazing life that I love to live. I am tapping into the energy source right now that contains everything I want. I am currently attracting so much love, health, and money into my life. I was made for massive financial abundance. I am open to receiving love, health, and money. Everything I am doing right now is working in my favor. I am open and allowing all good to come to me. I am willing to allow great things into my life. I am in the flow of love, health, and money. I am a powerful being with powerful attracting capabilities. Every day, in every way, my relationships are getting better and better. Love is flowing towards me right now. I just need to allow it. Every day, in every way, my health is getting better and better. Health is flowing towards me right now. I just need to allow it. Every day, in every way, my finances are getting better and better. Money is flowing towards me right now. I just need to allow it.